All right, I've got my lab, I double checked my labels, and with the new Epic upgrade, I was able to scan it and it automatically inputted the date and time collection. So let's send this off. Oh no, out of order. Well, I guess I get to take a trip to lab and we will start our walk. Oh, Don's Bistro? Maybe I should get an Italian beef sandwich. No, Lisa. Align priorities. Lab comes first. Wow, finally made it. This is a longer trip than I thought it would be.
All right, I've got one patient per bag, my 2 patient identifiers, the labels facing the right way, and I've got the right color tube for the test.
And specimens are off. They're not received yet until the arm picks it up and you see it goes in the puck, and then right off to the right is the barcode reader. So now the lab is aware that specimens have been received into the lab. Labels are not affixed properly with the name at the top. The barcode reader cannot read them and it shoots them back out as a problem. Our track is 174 feet long. As specimens go around the track, some are centrifuged. Centrifuge can take up to 7 minutes just to be centrifuged. If there's a waiting line, it could take up to 14 to 15 minutes. After centrifuge, it gets sent to our 6 different analyzers where specimens are sampled for testing. On this particular analyzer, this is where your basic metabolics and your comprehensive are done. Pipettes are pipetting out of your specimen, so if things are not centrifuged properly, it has the potential of not being sampled properly. We do have multiple barcode readers along the track, keeping an eye on the specimen as it goes around. This is the aliquotter. This is usually used mainly for send-out testing or if there's shared specimens with serology. And then finally, it is capped by the track itself with a piece of foil to keep the specimens, if we have add-on alcohols, for later to avoid any air contamination. It goes back around the track and then into the storage modules, where we have 2 storage modules. Each have about 15,000 specimens, and we have a refrigerator. This is the command center. We have 3 monitors. One is showing us the track, one is showing us each analyzer, and the center one is one with all the results. These are the results that do not cross over. We are confirming and reviewing results before we officially send them on to the patient's charts. Here's an example of a contamination with D5, potassium, and normal saline. This is what would have been spotted by the chemistry tech. Obviously, glucose was 1,111. After contacting the nurse and a recollect was requested, the actual glucose is 176. This is another common contamination with normal saline. As you can see, the sodium and the chloride are both elevated, and the glucose and others have been diluted. This would cause the chemistry tech to contact hematology and fear that the CBC with the H&H, the hematocrit, or the hemoglobin is also diluted, which could cause an unnecessary blood transfusion.